Welcome back to our video tutorial course where we show you how to create an incredible business blog like this through the power of AI. Drive traffic, customers, revenue, subscribers, and even reviews 100% on autopilot. Create incredible long-form content and blog posts with images and videos like these 100% automated on a timed basis by setting up a simple automation, or create posts manually in under 20 seconds with just a couple of clicks. We're excited to show you all the features and functionality, so let's get into it. To get started, we're going to first click on the Create Free Account, and we've got different options for plans. We're just going to click on the Get Started for the free account. Enter in our basic user information, then click Submit and Confirm. Our account has now been created. The next thing that we're going to need to do is create a website and an API key. If you're using the WordPress plugin and you've already got it installed in your website, you won't need to create a website. However, if you're not utilizing the WordPress plugin and you want to create a website to create a brand new blog, or if you want to integrate our platform with an existing website and blog, you can do that as well. In these video tutorials, we're going to be going over both. So we're going to first click on Create a Site, and now we're going to have the option of a variety of different templates that we can create our website from. You can view the templates by clicking on the View Demo button. We're going to select the green template, and we're going to need to give our website a directory, but we'll be able to change the domain name to our own custom domain name, whether it's blog.yoursite.com or just yoursite.com. The next option that we have is allow search engines to index the site. If you're integrating our platform with an existing website and you're just going to be publishing your posts to the existing website, you can leave this option as no. However, if you are creating a blog that is going to be visited by your customers, you're going to want to leave this set to yes. And now we can just click Create Site. And we've now got our confirmation message that our new site has been created. We can click on this button right here, and we now have our brand new website and can start creating posts with the power of AI. Now, to be able to start creating posts, we're next going to need to get our API key. And if we come back over to the membership confirmation page, we can click on the Create API Key button. And this page is going to be where we can see all of our detailed usage information as well as our plan information. And down here at the bottom of the page, we can create our key. We're just going to enter in a friendly name for the key. After clicking the Generate Key button, we're going to see the two pieces of information that we're going to need, which is our API username and our API key. So we're going to copy our API key, come back over to our website, and we can hover over the admin menu and click on Site Admin. This will bring us to the back end of our website. If you're utilizing the WordPress plugin, it's going to work the same way. You're going to hover over AI Posts and click on Settings, and this is where we can enter in our API key and our API username. Just make sure you've got the API key in this field and the username in this field. There's a few other options that we're going to go over. The auto update SEO. With the functionality of our platform and the plugin, you can update the SEO information of posts, pages, products, which include the titles, title tags, meta descriptions, and the keywords. With the auto update SEO information, it will automatically be updated if you set this option to automatic. If you set it to approve, you will need to approve the imported SEO information before it will be updated. We're going to set it to automatic. Company name, self-explanatory. For local SEO, if you are a local business and you're optimizing your pages and posts for local search, you can put the city name of your business to help in that process. Disable auto-publishing to social media profiles. Our platform and WordPress plugin is integrated with social media, so you can automatically publish new posts to your social media channels, which we'll take a look at a later tutorial. But if for whatever reason you want to publish posts without publishing them to social media, you can set this option to no. The default webhook URL, again, that's how we integrate with social media platforms. And if you're integrating our platform with another website or blog, this is how this integration is accomplished. We'll cover that in a later tutorial, but you can set the webhook URL at either the post level or at the account level using this option. We'll leave this blank. Default webhook for manual triggering only. That will only fire the webhook which publishes it to social media channels if you manually click the button on the post dashboard page. And then finally, password protect front end. If you are integrating with another website or blog and not using this website to direct customers to, you'll want to set this to yes. That way people and Google will only see the posts on the website that you're integrating our platform with. We can click Save Changes, and now we have everything set up and we are ready to start creating posts by clicking on the Create Posts tab, which we will review in the next tutorial.